So yeah, fuck, we gotta do a take two. Oh shit.
They say if we'll only avoid any confrontation with the enemy, he'll forget his evil ways and learn to love us. All who oppose, all who oppose.
G'day team, it's your boy Angus. We got a slightly different video for you guys today. This is basically me taking you guys on an adventure to make a new exhaust tip. Yeah, that's about it really. I don't remember if I talked a whole lot during the filming of this, so you might get a little bit of commentary voiceovers mixed in with subtitles. Well, I'm actually recording this as I'm about to start editing and make the video, so I haven't actually decided yet how I'm gonna do it, but yeah, it's just a little bit different, something fun, you know. It's been a while. Been a bit slack with the uploads, but trying to sort that out, you know. The weather's getting nicer, hopefully we're doing more stuff with cars. Yeah. See you around. How the fuck do I sign off on this? Oh fuck, I don't know. Enjoy the video. Yeah, there we go. Enjoy the video. Shit, and after what feels like a million years, voila. 6 measly pie cuts. Amazing. So yeah, I just want to put it out there, I'm actually a fitter machinist by trade and not a welder, so it does look a little bit poos in the end, I'll admit, but hey, you know, A for effort or something like that.
I was a terror since the public school era. Bathroom passes, cutting classes, squeezing asses. Smoking blunts was a daily routine since 13. A chubby nigga on the scene. I used to have the tray deuce and the deuce in my bubble goose. Now I got the Mac in my knapsack, lounging black, smoking sacks up in accents.
Yeah, so you also don't see it, but I actually fully welded up the other side. So the flange and all that stuff is ready. So at this point, I believe I'm just getting ready and packing up the works site welder and all that stuff to take home. And yeah, I should put it out there, I did make a few mistakes. Like at this point, I was pretty much, I wouldn't say running out of motivation, but I was sort of over being at work. I know I should have probably ground off the mill scale that was on the exhaust flange, but I didn't. So there is that, but hey, it is what it is, mate.
Bitches in the back looking Glock in his waist and we're smoking, drinking. Got the hooker thinking, if money smell bad, then this nigga big and stinking. Is it my charm? I got the hookers eating out my palm. She grabbed my arm and said, let's leave calm. I'm hitting skins again. Rolled up another blunt for the Heineken. Niggas start to loke out, a kid got choked out, blows was thrown, and a fucking fight broke out. Can't we just all get along so I can put hickeys on her chest like little Sean? Get a pissy drunk off a Dom Perignon, and it's on, and I'm gone, that's that.
Sweet. And there we have it. I still need to make the hangers for it, but yeah, I'm probably just gonna leave it like this for now, and carry on with it maybe like tomorrow. Yeah. Quick little update. I did not actually call it, but I ended up making some hangers and welding that on. I also had to add a few more pie cuts in there. Looks a bit shit, but hey, due to unforeseen reasons, we had to do it. Pretty happy with where I got to. All that's really left to do now is obviously just fully weld it up and make some bushes for the hangers. But yeah, this is the old sign off, I guess. Let us know how you feel about these sorts of videos. If you like it, I might make some more with a bit more commentary. Apologies if I sound a bit nasally and shit. That's actually just how I sound, unfortunately. But yeah, hopefully you get used to it.